My name is Ren. I go to school at St. Lawrence College, the Cornwall campus, and I'm in the environmental technician program. I wanted to go back to college, but I hadn't gone in over a decade. And the last 2 times I tried it, I didn't succeed. I actually dropped out, so I wasn't sure that I could go to college again. So the career and college prep program seemed like a good way to test if I could and also build confidence. I think it's a pretty neat program. I'm glad it exists. They were all really supportive. Anytime you need help, you can email somebody or ask them in person, and they're going to do their best to help you every time. I was feeling overwhelmed just keeping up with the homework and work and my house chores and everything. And I kind of had a moment of panic where I wasn't sure if I could succeed or keep going. They immediately responded yes, you can. We're here to support you and you can achieve any of your goals. A lot of the time, if I'm having a struggle, what helps me is to shift perspectives a little bit. Am I having some struggles keeping up with chores and work? Yes, but that's going to be the case whether or not I'm in school. So do I want to keep continuing with the kind of struggles that I have been over the last decade, or do I want to struggle to achieve something better? And every time I ask myself that, the answer is yes, every time. So just reminding myself of that is helpful. Well, I applied to the environmental technician program and I got accepted. I'm doing pretty well in all of my classes, so that's fun and I'm excited. I don't know exactly where I'm going in the future, but it feels like I'm headed in the right direction. I would say, can you think of any reason not to do it? Ask yourself if those are genuine, actual reasons that you cannot at least try, or if you're just afraid of not succeeding. Because if you try, even though you're afraid, chances are you'll surprise yourself and accomplish more than you assume you can. The career and college prep program is one that will support you in finding whatever your right path is.